Namaste ji, namaste. So this seems like a deja vu when I created a very similar video last year in the peak of lockdown. I didn't think that we would be making it again. So this is purely based on a lot of requests. So abhi the board examinations for class 12th have been deferred and they are going to take a relook at the possible dates on the 1st of June. So, in the best possible case scenario, your board examinations are not going to start any time under any possibility before the 15th of June because we are hoping that the COVID wave dies down around the 15th to 20th of May. So, the government would have put in a date of the 1st of June and they have already told us that ki 15 din ka notice is required before we start off the board examinations. That is, so 15th of June tak to आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स नहीं शुरू होंगे और since these examinations the CLAT and AILET folks need a qualifying percentage such as a 45% in your 12th grade to get you into admitted into any of the NLUs of your choice. Therefore we need the board exams to get conducted first and then only will we proceed ahead with these examinations. So right now if the board examinations start from the 15th of June, I doubt that whether the original date of CLAT and AILET will be stuck to. So they will most likely postpone it to somewhere around the mid of July, and that is when I'm being completely optimistic. Now, the first effect that you're going to face as a young student who is going to be taking these examinations is the break in momentum, which is completely understandable. So don't let anyone try to guilt trip you into saying, oh, you're not studying much. भाई जब ऐसा है, जब एग्जाम का कोई अता पता नहीं होता ना तो मोटिवेशन वगैरह थोड़ी कम ही होती है. जब कोविड का वेव वाज ऑलमोस्ट डाउन एंड आउट इन February and March, who really cared about this disease, and look where we are right now, right? तो सब चीज़ें ज़िंदगी में मोमेंटम पे चलती हैं. खैर मोमेंटम से याद आया, ऑन माय पर्सनल चैनल वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट इफ यू विश टू. खैर एनी विच वे, सो लेट्स चार्ट आउट अ प्लान. तो पहले अगर नहीं लग रहा बिल्कुल पढ़ने का तो इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, एब्सोल्युटली ओके. बट 2 दिन के बाद, सो डोंट लाइक टर्न टेक अ 2 to 3 day break, but don't convert that 2 to 3 break into a 20-30 day break. So let's start off from the 18th of April because I'm shooting this much prior to 18th of April, but I'm going to be posting this on the channel on the 18th of April. तो 18th of April से 18th of May लेके चलते हैं अभी तक. Hopefully क्योंकि 4 मई से अगर आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन शुरू होने थे, I'm sure you would have prepared by now. So since you have already prepared for this board examinations, you don't feel like studying, etc. Take a 2 to 3 day break, but don't let it get converted. So start off from 18th of April till 18th of May. I'm specifically talking to the guys who are going to be taking the CLAT and AILET. So we must, in this 1 month, we must extract out daily 2 to 3 hours is good enough time that you want to extract out of this month and prepare. Now, what do we prepare first? So this is, again, you can tailor make this plan, you can say, as per your own convenience. Whatever strategy suits you, it's absolutely fine. This is just one way. This is not the only way. This is not the best way because that does not exist. Each of us is unique. All of us need tailor-made approaches. Since I don't know you personally, you can tailor make this approach into your own. So first and foremost, I would be completing my English syllabus so that it attacks both the examination. So the CLAT paper also gets sorted out as well as the AILET thing. So we go and we start revising our idioms and phrases. We improve our vocab either from word power made easy or from your reading comprehension or from your newspapers. How do you do that? Anytime that you find a verb on which a word rather on which that your meaning is not clear, you make it or you can write it down in your notebook and then write the meaning down and try to form at least 2 sentences. उसके अंदर भी 100% accuracy नहीं रहने वाली कि that you remember all the words, but at least it will give you a good bump in your vocab, because instead of focusing, let's say, on trying to score 100 out of 100, I'll take a 70 out of 100 any day over a 0 out of 100. So that's my funda with always with vocab. So we'll revise common errors, we'll revise parts of speech, we'll revise figures of speech. इस channel पे एक English की playlist भी है. That's all included there. You can revise it from there, or whichever academy that you are from, or you're self-preparing on your own. Cover out these topics. You need to know what an oxymoron is. You need to know what irony is, pun, all the stuff that AILET also is very fond of asking, and now the CLAT as well. All right. So we cover out English so that both the examinations get sorted out in one go. Then I'm going to, in this month only, will cover out current affairs for December, January, and February. All right. And I believe a month's time is more than enough to cover out current affairs from December, January, February. You can say one of the most crucial month sets. I haven't said crucial months की बस यहीं से आएंगे current affairs, ऐसा नहीं. But one of the most crucial month sets, the थोड़ी सी higher probability होती है that the examiner focuses on these months, because these question papers get designed somewhere around the February March time frame in normal years. अब तो normal year देखे हुए ऐसे लगता है 600 साल निकल गए, but any which way. So December, January, February पहले निपटाते हैं, then we're going to see for others, because March, thanks to the rising situation of COVID, the situation of current affairs, as soon as the world starts to lock down, the current affairs slow down rapidly. तो मार्च में ज़्यादा हुए नहीं. I believe we have been able to, in our course, also able to extract out like 50 most high important questions from March. Usually that number in a standard month wherein no lockdown restrictions etc. is there is roughly around the 70-80 mark. And then I'm going to, in this month only, so I'm going to niptao my English, I'm going to niptao 3 महीने के current affairs and do 3 question papers from 2017 to 2020 and take around 3 mocks, whichever mock test series that you're enrolled in, either in ours, either in somebody else's, absolutely doesn't matter. 3 mocks of either AILT or CLAT so that you are in practice. अब ज़्यादातर क्या होता है that every coaching academy, by the way, including ours, so usually what happens is whenever you're trying to design a mock for AILT, CLAT, you usually the academy side पे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. So they सारे के सारे interns ही बनाते हैं mock tests. In my case, I try to design them and one of my teammates assists me. But usually क्या होता है कि GRE, GMAT, CAT level से pull out कर लेते हैं questions and straight away यहाँ पे copy paste हो जाते हैं. And those examinations are meant for guys who are 30 plus. So as you age, your intelligence grows. But then the trouble is that whenever we are asking those questions to you at the age of, let's say 17, 18, whichever age that you are at right now, things get difficult. So don't focus on your scores. Mocks are only there just to keep you in the habit of examination mode in your mind. Because generally speaking, I've seldom seen mock test scores getting reflected in the real life examinations, because these mocks are extremely heavily designed. You can say they're like very, very tough for a 17-year-old to tackle, because they are not filtered or diluted down to your level. It's usually a straight cut copy paste, and I'm not accusing anyone, even we are in that habit somewhat, but we try to at least filter out a lot of stuff. So we are all in the same boat, I would say. And that's just being honest. It is what it is any which way, because otherwise, I mean, who exactly sits and crafts out each and every original question? Last year I had done that for 5 of my CLAT new pattern mocks, but since those are not very popular in the market etc., so the revenue and the mehnat deficit is insane, so we've stopped creating CLAT new pattern mocks, at least for 2021. We'll be back in 2022 now for the entire online scene. Now we go to 18th May to 18th June, and 18 May से 18 June again we try to pull out around 80 hours. I'm presuming कि 18 June तक तो अब आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन अब स्टार्ट होने वाले होंगे 18 जून को. सो 18 मई से 18 जून हमारे पास एक महीना फिर भी है. लीगल रीजनिंग, नाउ आइदर यू कवर दिस आउट फ्रॉम AP Bhardwaj, Universal, Single, whatever book that you have, you cover out legal reasoning, but do remember that only 70% of the answer key is correct, 30% is completely incorrect, and on a lot of occasions in legal reasoning actually you are correct and the author is incorrect. So legal reasoning there is no definite answer, because law is all about the judge's perception. That is why we have an appellate system in which we go in for appeals, and the Supreme Court usually overturns a judgment, and the Supreme Court is not bound by its own decisions as well, right? So legal reasoning के साथ अब AILT में मैं एक काम और करता हूँ यहाँ पे, usually constitution and polity भी निपटा लेता हूँ. So who appoints the PM or the minister resigns to, ministers can be removed by, the president resigns to, the vice president is appointed by, stuff such as that. Or under which article of the constitution can you call a sitting or rather a retired judge to oversee a matter or to sit on a matter? Then that's 128 was asked in, I believe, in 2018 etc. So stuff such as that. So I cover out polity, and even in CLAT sample papers in 2020, it was asked under which provision of the constitution the impeachment procedure for the president has been prescribed, because they were referring to the impeachment of Donald Trump in that sample paper. So they expect you to know basics of constitution polity, but as of the new pattern and as of the newer trends, you need not study the advanced you can say concepts of contract, torts, IPC, but if you know those terminologies, life becomes very easy in tackling the legal reasoning section. So legal reasoning, I'll practice from here. It's basically reading comprehension with a legal makeup on. मतलब मस्कारा फाउंडेशन काजल हमने लीगल का लगा रखा, लेकिन है हम एक तरह से रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ही, राइट. And simultaneously, in this 18 May to 18 June, I'm going to be jumping ship to logical reasoning. So I'll be covering out critical reasoning, N.K. Pandey standard, और Wiley's की CAT की किताब आती है. I've already discussed this on the channel, but it's a very tough book. Only jump into that. A, if you have the time. B, if you don't get terrified. So I usually don't recommend it to students of your age. It's a very tough book, but at least it gets into the habit of making you read a lot of passages which the CLAT new pattern now demands from you. Syllogisms, blood relations, direction test, coding, decoding, sequences series, all can be nipped out from RS Agarwal, at least 100 questions each in this month, so that we are basically in that exam mode momentum. और दिन के 2 से 3 घंटे ही तो हैं, कौन सा कोई हम कि हम आपकी तरह नहीं आएंगे, कि इन द सेंस कि मतलब आप किसी और की तरह नहीं आएंगे. मैं तो दिन के जी 14-15 घंटे पढ़ता था. मेरे को I seriously can't fathom what exactly for 14-15 hours somebody is studying, what exactly are they studying. Either you're too slow or either you can be lying also. Any which way. तो 3 मॉक्स. अब यूजुअली क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे आप 6 मॉक्स अगर आपके हो जाते हैं either CLAT or AILT, you will start to notice a pattern that things are getting repeated, because usually in my own experience and advice, usually 5 to 6 mocks are decent enough practice for you to get into a habit of examination mode, because you will usually find that mocks are truly not indicative or reflective of the real life examination. तो इतने जब हो जाएंगे तो वी बिलीव कि हाँ भाई ठीक है. अब इसके अंदर अगर हमारे ठीक ठाक नंबर आ रहे हैं, मोर देन यू कैन से 50% और 60%, ग्रेट. और क्या चाहिए जीवन में. देन वी गो टू करंट अफेयर्स. हम निपटा लेते हैं जी अक्टूबर, नवंबर, अप्रैल के, और हमारे यहाँ पे मार्च के भी रेडी हो ही गए होंगे. तो ये जब हमने सेट, क्योंकि पिछले साल इन 2020 द एग्जामिनेशन वाज हेल्ड इन सितंबर एंड क्लैट आस्क्ड अप टिल आई बिलीव टिल अगस्त तक का भी एक पैसेज था, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, बट आई फॉरगॉटन नाउ. सो अब मैं ये वाले मंथ्स भी यहाँ पे इस महीने में निपटा लूँगा, राइट. और मेरे यहाँ पे लीगल रीजनिंग भी हो गई, लॉजिकल भी हो गई, क्वेश्चन पेपर हो गया, इंग्लिश हमने सॉर्ट आउट कर ली थी, करंट अफेयर्स हमने वहाँ पे पहले ही सॉर्ट आउट कर लिया. And then now I'm sure that your boards will be starting from the 15th of June onwards. कभी भी 16th को start हो जाए, 17th को start हो जाए, तो भगवान ही जानता है. अगर if number of cases go down, then expect your board examinations to start from this date, and then 3 weeks down the line from wherever your boards are starting and finishing, basically 3 weeks from when they're starting, expect your CLAT AILT to pop up. And don't expect much time, because as soon as your board examinations will just end, they may just take this exam, the law entrance. Then you cover out maths. अब maths से हम wannabe वकील्स को भी बड़ी तकलीफ होती है, वकीलों को भी तकलीफ होती है, जो लोग कॉलेज में हैं उनको भी तकलीफ होती है. तो 50 क्वेश्चन ईच, डिपेंडिंग ऑन, अब आप पिछले पास्ट ईयर्स देख लेंगे AILT और CLAT के, जो टॉपिक्स पे आपसे सवाल पूछे गए, चाहे वो अपस्ट्रीम हो, डाउन स्ट्रीम हो, प्रोबेबिलिटी हो, कुछ भी हो, 10 स्टैंडर्ड RS अग्रवाल से एटलीस्ट 50 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ ईच ऑफ दोज टॉपिक्स आप कर लेंगे. And then you revise whatever you have done, and I'm pretty sure that by the 18th of July you'll be in a very, very solid condition to take a very good shot. Now obviously I can absolutely go wrong with these dates, because well, कल का कुछ नहीं पता, because 15th of March को सब कुछ सही था, and now 15th of April it seems like the world is shutting down again, and who knows what happens on 15th of May. We never really know, right? So this way I believe that you can take a very good shot, and डोंट फील स्ट्रेस्ड कि अरे मेरा तो मोमेंटम टूट गया, या मेरा ही मन नहीं कर रहा, बाकी सब पढ़ रहे हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आई बिलीव कि सभी की मोमेंटम टूटा हुआ है इस टाइम, एंड एवरीवन जस्ट फीलिंग लाइक प्लीज check it. It's been and the main stress on students also is of online education. It's been like 1 to 2 years. It's completely understandable if you're just absolutely exhausted from this online drama कि वही वीडियो कॉल चलती है, कैमरा में टीचर जी कुछ और बोल रहे हैं, मतलब कैमरा ऑफ करके, और आप बस सुन रहे हैं. एंड देन वो कौन सी मीम आई थी, वो श्वेता या पता नहीं किसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड का, उसने अपने सीक्रेट से लीक कर दिए थे क्लास के अंदर ही. खैर एनी विच वे, तो ये सब चीज़ों से स्टूडेंट्स आर एग्जॉस्टेड. इट्स कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंडेबल इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग एब्सोल्युटली एग्जॉस्टेड कि भैया बस बहुत हो गया, बहुत तमाशा हो गया, और अब तो पेपर भी नहीं हो रहे, कि एक तो स्कूल भी नहीं आने दिया इन्होंने फाइनल ईयर में, उसके बाद 12th में, मतलब दैट इज़, और उसके बाद अब ये पेपर भी करा रहे हैं, और अब पेपरों की डेट भी नहीं पता. तो इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली अंडरस्टैंडेबल. अगर ज़्यादा ही तकलीफ आ रही है, 1-2 दिन की ब्रेक ले लीजिए, लेकिन याद रहे कि दैट ब्रेक डज नॉट गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ 10 to 20 day ब्रेक. 2-3 दिन का काम चलता है, इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली अंडरस्टैंडेबल। और अगर कोई बोलता है कि नहीं मेरा तो कभी कोई मोमेंटम टूटा ही नहीं, मेरे को तो कोई टेंशन हुई नहीं, उनको गाना चला देना कि वो झूठ बोले कौवा काटे या ऐसा कुछ, ठीक है जी। चलिए, विशिंग यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, होपफुली दिस हैज बीन ऑफ हेल्प टू यू। एक्सप्लोर द चैनल फॉर more lectures on topics that you need to prepare for your examination. Bye bye.